son and daughter graduated from here, electronics and communication, and for the last 14 years they are in US. I've had very good time in the institute. I got involved with a lot of activities here. At one time when I was selected as assistant professor from senior lecturer, from lecturer to assistant professor, Professor Nigam was the director, and he said, Ashwini, I find that you have been involved with 14 different activities in the institute. Which one did you like the most? And I said, sir, being the hostel warden. He said, oh my God, that's a very difficult job. Why do you like that? I said, because of human interaction. I was warden of a hostel for some time, and 7, 8 girls also used to live there in the same hostel. And I had hell of a time protecting those girls. Then one person, came from Roorkee University to give some lecture here, and he was staying in my guest house, and I called him for tea to my residence. I told him that I am very unhappy here because I have to take care of the girls also. He said, how often do you call the principal here? I said, I have never called him. He said, that is the problem. You have made his life so comfortable. You call him every week. He'll change you in 1 month. But my father was a professor, and when I had railways, he gave me a few tips. One thing he said, never turn out a student from his class. The easiest thing that a teacher says is, get out of my class. It is the birthright of the students to sit in the class, and it's my record. I never turned out any student, either from the class or from the hostel. Finally, students were there, and 75% of them were, by the time that you come to final year, you become all gundas. But I never turned out even one student. Secondly, he said was that don't say I report the matter to the principal. And I never reported anything to the principal because the students are very intelligent people. They know that you have no power, only the principal has the power. So I never abdicated my power to the principal. Incidentally, I'm taking some more time, but there are very few people here. As we go through life, we have several interesting experiences. We had a very interesting incident. We had gone on a long tour to Bombay. In those days, there was a long tour. We used to, full bogey of the students used to go all over India and all that. And there we had one teacher here, P.L. Bhatia. He knew somebody in the film industry. And he arranged our visit to a studio. Some pictures were being shot there. I was very keen to meet Nanda. She was sweet 16 at that time. So we came to know that Usne Kaha picture was being shot there, and Nanda was the heroine and Sunil Dutt was the hero. Sunil Dutt kept on waiting for 4 hours and Nanda didn't come. But in the same studio, some other pictures were also being shot. We met Rajendra Kumar, we met Dilip Kumar, and we came that Mughal Azam, that colored set was ready. So we saw that. And then the people told us that Madhubala is also there. We wanted to see her meet her, but she refused to meet us. It took us half an hour to convince the people there that please let us meet her. Then she said, okay, I will not talk to anybody. Nobody will ask me any question. The boys can come one by one and have a look at me. And we, 15 or 16 of us were there in that batch. We went in and we had a glimpse. And I tell you, I am now a 76-year-old fellow. I have yet to see a more beautiful woman in my life.
You are our Sada.
I will end with a humorous limerick. Limerick is a 4-line couplet. I'll give one example. It is that based on Einstein's theory of relativity, and that light is if anything can move faster than light, then the time moves backwards. So there was a lady called Miss Bright. She could travel faster than light. She left today morning and came back yesterday night. On the same line, this is a joke on myself. Please, with due respect to all the teachers here, there was a fellow called Kessler. His knowledge grew lesser and lesser, till one day when he knew nothing at all, and now he is a professor.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those things. Thank you a lot. I'm Mohanlal Goel. I passed out in 72. Professor Ashwin Kumar Kumar my project in class, and what I am today is with his inspiration only. I have every salute for Mr. Ashwin Kumar. May God give him long life. Thanks a lot. We have also amongst us a 1965 graduate and who has served on the Faculty of Civil Engineering Department for so long. May I request Professor Sundar Singh to kindly come up. Professor Sundar Singh. Thank you so much. We have another room time, and in fact, he has such great memory that he will be knowing many of the alumni by name. I'll request Professor N.K. Verma to please come up and establish it. Professor N.K. Verma. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for all the teachers and the alumni. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Pleasure. I'll still announce if there are any more alumni from 62, 66 or
2% just
have come, right? Okay.
I'm 58 by 62.
Okay, you would like to come up. Please come up. No, we are 58 by 62.
Yeah.
Please come.
Which was being made, and it is the place where we used to do dramas on a table. And we started this place. I was the president of the Dramatic Society of Harper College. I started the Dramatic Society in Harper College in 58. And then I handed over to Dr. Petty. He became professor, and he then was doing looking after. I have a lot of memories, but I think time is short. It is better not to divulge in those areas. Okay.
Thank you so much. We have we have road to 42 by 62. Engineer S.K. Singhal is joining. We have roll number 26 by 62. Please come. Mrs. Sharma as well. Please.
Hello.
Yes.
मैं M.N. शर्मा जी की धर्मपत्नी हूँ